Hey y'all, I've got me some ground bison I'm going to try on my Ole Smokey grill. I've never had bison before, so stay tuned. I'm going to mix it with some Uncle Steve's cow shake. I like to mix my seasoning in with my hamburger, and I may even put a little bit on top. Can't go wrong with this Uncle Steve's shake. I mean, there's a lot of good rubs out there. Steve's shake is one of them. I just want to take this time to call your attention to my t-shirt. These are some neat graphic tees by Into the AM. They sent me some of these, and I told them I'd mention it, you know, on my video. I'll leave the link down below. They also sell just plain t-shirts. What I love about these t-shirts is they're very soft. They fit good right up around the arms, and they're loose right here for those of you who have a big midsection like me. So they're very comfortable. They hang real nice, but yet they feel nice and tailored at the top. So if you think you might like them, check them out. Okay, now I've got this little patty maker. I'll make some, just helps form the patties. Push it in there. Get us some nice uniform patties. They come out pretty easy. Just hit them on the plate like that right there. Look at there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this hamburger, and I'll be back. Okay, we want to try to keep this grill at around 350. We're going to cook the food indirectly for a while, kind of like cooking it in an oven, and then the rest of it will be with the lid off. That's when we'll have to kind of stay. Okay, fellas, I got my good friend Sonia helping today. She's going to load the food. Actually, she's going to do the cooking. We've got some Jealous Devil lump charcoal we're using today, along with some apple wood underneath the charcoal. And we're cooking indirect. We got some hamburgers. Yeah, we got the Bison Burgers too that I seasoned this morning. We've got some extra hamburgers that were in the freezer, and I got a couple sausage links too. Yeah, let's check the temperature of some of these guys. Look at here. See that one there? That one there is good and done.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's all looking good. Ooh, those looking good. Don't worry about the fire. Just slide it over. You know, just keep flipping them back and forth. And then what you do is move them over to the cold side temporarily to take the temperature. There you go. You don't even have to lift it. Just slide it over there. Yeah. Yeah, and check the temperature of the other ones while you're doing that. Woohoo! Yeah, baby.